I'll show you this exercise, and I'll show you on David too. So I'm sit down. You see, this is the safe. You can do against the wall this way for the camera purpose. Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's do it this way so you're gonna see better. I'm standing up here, and now I'm start sliding. You see my arms on that knee, and I'm start gliding myself down, 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 down. You see my body is not scared because you can go that deep squat or extend your spine because you're scared you're gonna get injured or fall back or injure yourself again. So that ball is help you to support. Now what I'm doing here, I'm sit down. You see I'm comfortable to sit in this position because my back is supported with that ball. Like I said, you can do against the wall, so it's going to be more safer. You sit up here and breathe deep. Try to relax. You see my arms hanging up here. Next one, what I'm doing, I can go even deeper if I want. And here, I get my arms up here or still on my legs. It doesn't matter. You start doing spine. That. You push against that ball. And look, I'm get openness up, get that head extension, touch the ball, and push against that. Open up and roll myself back, teaching my spine. If you feel pain somewhere, let's talk about this one. So you roll yourself back. Let's see, you feel discomfort and you jammed. You feel it's something going to happen. You stay here and breathe. Just move your head up and down. Tuck your chin. Or push this against that ball. So you're pushing all the time. Extend more, hanging up here. And if you want more, get your arms above your head, and get this extension of your spine. I feel just great. I feel safe, that ball, and I push against that ball. You see, I try to squeeze that ball towards the ground, activate all my muscles. And if you want more, you place your hands on the floor and start raise your butt up and do that bridge. And return, easy way to get up. So you see, you're sitting, you push yourself up in that seating position, and that's it. So let's get to David up here and see how he can do it. So he never done this before, so sit down and see if any problems. Spread your legs. Here we go, and just start roll yourself down, kind of sitting position. Don't be scared. Get your legs up, arm up here. Here we go. Roll more. Don't be afraid. You see, he's scared. His brain is protected. He's not limited. He's just scared of doing this. That's fine. Here we go. You in a deep squat now? Try to push. You see, he's kind of lean. Here we go. Here we go.
Deep squat.
Yes. Look at that. He never done this. So next one, get yourself exactly. Roll. Slowly. Extend.
Your arms are back.
You can do on your chest, exactly. So try to open up. He's exactly great. You see, he's also work on that chest. Try to get that. And now slowly tuck your chin first. Tuck your chin. Is that discomfort?
No, it's just hard.
It's hard. So you see, we're gonna work next. And roll yourself. There we go. That's why I said get this arm up here. Hold yourself. Yeah. Get your arm, not extend them. So this is, like I said, this is next. Try it again. Just your body. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. No, just keep him up there. Here we go. Exactly. So hanging up, push it to the floor. Get this neck. You see, he's trying to extend, open this up. If you are with a professional expert or partner, he can open this up, push it down. He can help you out, and you can tuck that chin. Look, yeah, let it go, let it go. You see, I'm protecting that. I'm holding that chest.
Yeah, it feels like a good exercise.
Great, yes. And now try to roll yourself back. Roll, and exactly pushing up and push yourself up in the sitting position. That's fine. You see, it's great.
Wow. You really work your whole body.
Yes.
The whole body.
And that's a flexion and extension of the spine. This is the exercise. So do that. Use the Fitball. If you feel that stiffness in lower back, lay down, roll. Go ahead, lay down with your belly. Lay down with your belly. And turn around. This is another one. Just here we go. And I want you to relax. Like get this back like in the middle. No. Push yourself more up. Up. Right here. Now let it go that knee. You see, he's kind of collapsing. Look at this. He's opened this up so he can roll himself. He's like that balloon.
That feels good.
This is exactly for the seniors. This is the great exercise. You can see, if you're a rehab therapist or massage therapist, you can also, like I said, grab that sacrum. Look, you grab that sacrum and do that cross. Open this up. Look, you can do that. He needs to more relax. Here we go. The knee. You can roll that, tuck that chin, and you can roll him. You see, he's opened this up. Come back, and this is how he get up.
Wow, that is
And
good.
now he's pushing him through the ball and get up. Yes.
That's good. That was good.
Of course. So do those Fitball exercise. They really good exercise.